Is that the wind?
I hope.
This is cool. Look at this, honey. Look at this. This is different than winter up here. Are you happy that they're mixing us up?
Here, she said, it said here. Yep, we're here. Wow. This is so cool. Fun? We're having fun. Said fun. Said fun.
Hey, take some pictures, yeah.
He is, yes, he's documenting. I'm getting video. That's terrifying.
That was a female's voice.
Is that the elevator?
Creepy handprints on windows. Creepy handprints on windows. What'd it say?
I
Alan.
didn't say anything, that just freaks me out.
That's my name. Alan's my name.
Who's here with us? Can you tell us your name?
Here. Crazy building.
How long have you been here? Years? Years? How many years? Can you give us a number?
How many years? Is it a recorder? Who is that? How many people are here? Or there was a fire. Who was in the fire? Is it recording?
No, but we can.
Yeah.
I just stepped on the ball. Reagan, it scared me.
Yeah, but I also got this other microphone here. If you talk into it, there's potential that we could hear
You're gonna
you.
move me around here.
Go ahead, talk into it.
Like, super hot, but like, go.
Yeah, I came up. This goes to the roof.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this goes to the roof. Come on. Whoa. See? Don't get blown over, it's windy.
Well, this is going nuts here too. But I'm recording it like this so that we can go back and listen to it. Yeah. Back? Or should we go downstairs? Are we safe to go downstairs?
Down here, Lord.
Yeah, lower.
Oh, nice. Well, that would fit.
Yeah.
So are you right here, or do you want me to go lower?
Should we go lower? We're gonna pause right there. Yeah, I thought I could hear it, honey. And I got down here and I was like, it wasn't going off, and I was like, so I just tested it.
Let's sit here
And I
see what's
just
happening.
waited halfway up and it went off. I went down and I caught it doing it. But I want to see if I can access. I want to see if I can access the basement.
Well, I'm gonna get the other kids.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just gonna.
Reagan. Okay. I was like, I hear footsteps, motherfuckers. They're going downstairs. That is creepy. Super creepy. That's creepy. Where'd they put the... Alan! Yeah, let's take it. Good call.
Quite careful, there's tools on the stairs.
Quite careful, there's tools on the stairs. Hey, we're bringing the REM pod.
Yep. Oh, yeah. This, our EMS. Are you demonic? Are you a demon? I keep seeing you around here. I keep seeing shadows. Not you. Is there something keeping things down here? Something evil? So. Or were you part of something else? You know, this is my wife Megan. The phone in her hand actually, you know, if you walk in front of it, it'll show us you. See if we can see some. See if we can see some
Ball? What did it say?
Well, we got the cat ball. Look at, yeah, see? Come walk in front of it. Come.
What's in there?
Come
Just-
and get a stick figure.
Oh my God, what the? Closed off staircase?
Yeah. You know, back in the day.
Whoa, look at, this does different colors. What? Sorry.
Oh, even if you were in the army and you were walking through the woods and there was a random staircase up there.
Want us to go?
Like you can't go up it, and if one of your like people go up it, that's the only time that you abandon them. Because people go up those stairways and never come back.
Sit.
Whoa.
I don't have a chair to sit. You want me to sit on the floor?
Look at. What'd it say? Is anybody here? Are you locked up there? I don't think we have the key.
No, it's well off.
Oh, you saw me?
Riggs, did you go back here? Reagan! Guys, come here. I'm hearing something, no joke. Oh God, it's Tristan. Fucking Christ. I heard. I'm like, oh, what's back there? It's scary.
Oh, you scared me.
Arg. Well, it's way too dark. Someone's brave. Oh, Reagan! Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God, it's picking that up right there. I'm flipping my shit out. I walked by it and it started doing that. What do you think? Because right here it kind of looked like a person. Oh my God. What do you think?
I think it's got arms, so it took
So
it as a person.
It looks like a person.
Yeah. Because when they move all like floppy like that, it thinks there's something there and it's trying
And it's just
figure
trying to
out where
detect it.
Yeah, how to map it out.
Weird. So this thing has been talking. I'm gonna go back and listen and watch this. But once I told Hyra to start taking pictures of me while I do this and try to see if they'll come over and touch me, whatever, it stopped talking. Like it came, like it wasn't. It said it was invisible. Which I want to go back and listen to see exactly, because some of it I can't catch it. But I think if we put it on the recorder, we'll be able to catch some of the stuff. Say hi to my wife. Say hi, Megan. Where'd you go? Oh, come on now. You're sitting there chatting with me the whole time. Now, where'd you go? There you go. There's a cat ball for you. All you gotta do is touch it. See if you can touch it. The REM pod? Did you hear that? Did you?
That was the camera.
Okay.
I had to focus.
What was that? Don't touch this cat ball. All you do is just barely touch it and the light will go off. You should be able to do that. Come on. I want to take the echoes down.
Give us the power.
What? Give them the power? Is that what it said?
Power for what?
Put it down.
Just
You can't move those
Shit.
ones. You have to pay
go
for
ahead.
it.
Okay,
Huh?
sorry. Go ahead, but get me
Unless
back
you
in.
want me to just go for
Buy
it.
it, man. I don't care. We're gonna use it, so I might as well just start using it.
Oh, fuck.
Turn it back. Sorry, go back to it. Turn it back up. No, up where you had it. There you go. Okay. We need to get it. Okay. There. Now I can maybe hear you a little better. The recorder, I'm still recording. Got about half hour on it, but I'm trying to see if we can get you any static. All right. Well, I guess it's not gonna talk to me. I'm showing you. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. I heard you. What'd you say?
I was all running for you, looking for you like I couldn't
Ask him
just...
how you're supposed to give him the power. What do you want the power for?
Power, yeah. Power for what? You want to shut the power off? What kind of power do you want? Or you don't have the power to do it? You don't have the power to touch it? Touch us? How do we give you the power? How do we get the power? Is there something we can help you with? Barb, are you upset that he's doing all this? I suppose you've seen a lot of construction over the years. You've been gone for a long time. There ain't no lock on this.
You got the keys?
I do. You lock in the stairwell? Are you gonna lock us in the stairwell or Tristan?
Whoa, why is that door opening like that? Suction? Oh, because there's someone in front of us. Jesus, that scared the shit out of me.
What, Tristan?
I didn't see him come in. I thought the door opened by itself and there's the door opening by itself again. Ah!
Tristan.
Oh my god, so much walking.
Up to the roof, that's it.
Thanks, gentlemen. Door didn't open by itself for me. Shitheads. Breathing. It's like not even refreshing because it's so hot. Is there... Tristan, stay back from there. Naughty, naughty. Just, what is that noise?
Car pickups my bike.
What floor are we on? 3?
The top
So is that 4? Reagan heard push. So we were talking about those holes.
Yeah, well, the one said earlier that watch out for the holes. So what else was I gonna say to us? It's like chatty here. No, nothing. Just like on the ghost shows we watch. Chatty, and then nothing. We need something, what do we need? A trigger. Trigger, huh? You got a trigger, you guys? Where are you guys at? Come on now. They're not here doing anything or just here. We are. Purpose.
Why isn't it?
Good view. So how did you die, Marty? You had a heart attack? Did some foul play? What about the people that died in the fire? I heard a kid's voice earlier. It was a kid. Was there a child involved? You want me to go back down?
It's hot up here.
Should we go? I don't remember seeing that. When I was looking, I guess. Martin? Martin, are you here? Who's Martin?